What do we mean when we talk about fluency? Fluency with text is reading words with no noticeable cognitive or mental effort. It's when the fundamental skills are so automatic that it doesn't require conscious attention. So, what does that mean exactly? Let's give some examples. People can perform many tasks with automaticity or automatically, like walking, riding a bike, or driving a car. Fluency, like riding a bike, develops through practice. Students go from sounding out individual letters and letter combinations to reading words quickly and effortlessly, with lots of opportunities for practice until reading the words can be performed with a high rate of success. Fluency in oral reading has three parts: accuracy, which is reading with few errors; reading speed, or the rate at which a student reads; and prosody, or the skill of reading aloud with proper intonation, phrasing, and expression. To be a fluent reader, all three of these components must be in place. So, what do fluent readers look like? Fluency research says that successful readers rely primarily on the letters in the words rather than context or pictures to identify familiar and unfamiliar words. They process virtually every letter. They use letter-sound correspondences to identify words. They have a reliable strategy for decoding words. And they read words a sufficient number of times for words to become automatic. Why should we focus on fluency? To gain meaning from text, students must read fluently. Proficient readers are so automatic with each component skill, phonological awareness, decoding, vocabulary, that they focus their attention on constructing meaning from the print. These component skills need to be well developed to support understanding. It's not enough to be simply accurate. The skill must be automatic. So fluency is not an end in itself, but is the bridge to comprehension. Fluent reading frees up cognitive resources to better process the meaning of the words. Now that we know why it's necessary, how do we help build fluency? Effective fluency instruction should include repeated readings or practice with passages that the student can read with a high level of accuracy. It should be brief, about 15 to 30 minutes. It should include corrective feedback. Students should be able to set goals and graph progress. And teachers should keep in mind that fluency is only part of the bigger picture. Thanks for watching the Big 5 and Under 5, Fluency with Text. If you're interested in learning more, check out the National Center on Improving Literacy's Fluency Toolkit and watch for the rest of the Big 5 and Under 5 series.